How to send money through Binance. I'm going to show you two ways. The first way is using the pay method, which basically sends money to another Binance user for free without any fees. For that, you want to click on the pay button, which you can see right here. And if you can't find it, you can click on the search bar and search for pay function. Click on the pay button here. Now, all you need to do is enter the ID. First, you want to click on send to Binance user. And then you want to either enter their email or phone number, or you can switch to Binance ID to send them money. You can find the Binance ID if you click on the pay button. You should see it right under the pay text, which says Binance ID and has 9 digits. Now, after entering the user ID or email or whatever you chose to use, it will prompt you with this window here, which you can select which currency to send, for example, USDT, and the amount, for example, $50. Now, all you need to do is press continue, and you can also select the source, whether it's funding wallet or spot wallet. And once you do that, you'll need to confirm by using two-factor authentication or fingerprint on the phone. And this should proceed and send them the money. Now, the second way to send is to go back to the home page. And this time you want to click on the assets button at the bottom. And then select which crypto you want to send, for example, USDT. And then click on the send button at the bottom and click on withdraw crypto. Now, all you need to do is get the other user's wallet to send them USDT or whatever coin. And then you can paste their address here, or you can click on the button on the right side to scan a QR code. And it should also tell you which network to use. So you can see here Ethereum and a bunch of other networks depending on the address and the amount. You can specify, for example, $100 and click on withdraw button and then confirm. And that should send the payment to their crypto wallet within a few minutes. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you on the next one.